Let's take a look at the Fairfield Inn right across the street from Disneyland. I'm Melissa with Mix Sense and Magic, and today I want to take you on a quick tour so you can see why this Good Neighbor Hotel is a top choice for Disney visitors. As you enter, you'll find a welcoming lobby and a convenient on-site market stocked with snacks and essentials. The hotel also features a fitness center if you're one of those people who likes to stay active during your trip.
They also have this awesome game room that your kids are going to love. I mean, they might not want to leave the game room to head to Disney. Very, very fun.
Need to unwind after a long day at the parks? Check out the heated outdoor pool and whirlpool, a perfect spot to relax. Now let's take a look at the Disney-inspired guest rooms.
This is the 2-queen deluxe room. It has 2 queen beds, and this is a little pull-out chair, so this room can sleep 5. It's very cute. This is only 7 minutes from Disneyland, so you don't have to worry about being far away. You are very close. Got the bathroom over here. There's a mini fridge in there, and then here is the shower toilet area. Another thing I love is there's a door that can close so you can be getting ready in the morning while people are still sleeping. This is a great option. This is the 1 king deluxe here at the Fairfield. This is a pull-out sofa. This is a king-sized bed. Over here you have the TV with the drawers, a little desk area. This property is only 7 minutes from Disneyland. So close, right across the street. You can see the Matterhorn, you can see Space Mountain, you can see fireworks. It's pretty amazing. This is a great property for people who want to be close. It's a really comfortable room, and I love it. Here at the Fairfield, 90% of their rooms are connecting, which is really awesome when you have a bigger family or you're traveling with a larger group to get connecting rooms. So if you want a connecting room, call Getaway today, 855-GETAWAY. You can book online single rooms, but if you want connecting rooms, it's best to call them. Just make sure you tell them Mix Sense and Magic sent you for the best rates.
One of the best things about this property is the location. The hotel is just a 7-minute walk from the Disneyland Resort entrance, so you can easily come back for midday breaks to rest up before heading back for more fun. With all these great features, the Fairfield Inn Anaheim is the perfect place to stay for a magical Disneyland vacation. Don't forget to use my link in the description for discounted rates and exclusive deals. We'll talk soon.